what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be making Peshawari ice cream.
Yo,
yeah.
I tried it one time and I totally loved it.
And so for this we'll be needing 2 cups of milk, 2 cups of cream. You can use heavy cream, double cream, whipped cream, but you need cream.
It looks like my ending.
And then 3/4 cups of sugar. I'm using white sugar. So I'm gonna take our milk, bring it over here.
And of course, boil it.
Yeah, and we're just gonna let the milk warm up, and then once it comes to a slight boil and you can start seeing bubbles, we're gonna add in our sugar. On the heat for about 5 to 6 minutes, and you can start to see that it's boiling. This is a really good technique if you don't want your milk to spill over. So you put a wooden spoon and that would prevent it from spilling. So now we're going to add in our sugar. And I'm just gonna let the sugar dissolve. Our sugar crystals have dissolved into our milk, and we're going to be adding our cream into this.
The milk is going like, oh.
So now that our cream is in, I'm gonna use this whisk, and I'm just going to make sure all our cream softens into our milk. So now you can't see any of the lumps of cream in here. So I'm just going to keep this on the side and pick this up. So I have this mold over here. I'm just going to put our mixture into here.
If you want like a proper ice cream shape, you can put it on this.
Yeah, but you can use any mold you have. So I'm gonna let this come to room temperature, and I'll see that cooling in room temperature for around 10 minutes. And I'm going to wrap this with cellophane wrap, and okay, I'm gonna wrap this, and then I'm gonna put this in the freezer for overnight so that it hardens, and I'll see you in the morning.
I'm waiting for this.
It's the next day and the ice cream has been in the freezer overnight. I'm gonna go take it out now. As you can see, the ice cream is not fully frozen yet and it's still quite liquidy. So for the next step, we'll be needing a blender and an ice cream scooper. We're gonna start by putting our ice cream in the blender. Just make it easier. I'm going to put this on here. Now that the ice cream is in the blender, we're going to turn it on. Blended, I'm going to take it off. Oops. And I'm just going to put this back in our pan. So back it goes. And I'm going to be using this piece of parchment paper. I'm just going to push it down so that it touches the surface of our ice cream. I'm going to get some of our foil paper, our cellophane. I'm just going to wrap it again to make sure it's airtight. Now I'm going to put this in the freezer overnight. I'll see you tomorrow then. It is the next day, so let's take out our ice cream.
Oh, I'm craving for this.
You can smell the sweetness from here.
Yo.
One layer off.
Oh my god, that's so good.
Let's dig in.
Ooh, it's frozen. Nice.
It's ice cream. It's supposed to be frozen.
Like it froze like nicely.
You want to try some?
Yes.
Dig in.
You know what? Who cares? This ice cream's not coming.
It tastes amazing. You can taste the cream in your mouth. It tastes just like Peshawari ice cream.
World of the best ice cream.
It's
So
amazing.
good.
You guys should really try this recipe at home. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share my videos. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Bye.